But have you ever wondered if it's possible to catch a rainbow? The idea of catching a rainbow sounds magical, but unfortunately, it's not something we can physically hold in our hands. A rainbow isn't a tangible object, it's a natural optical phenomenon. To understand why, we need to look at how rainbows are formed. When sunlight passes through raindrops, it bends, or refracts, as it enters the water droplet. The light then reflects off the inside surface of the droplet and bends again as it exits. This process splits the light into its component colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The light scatters into a circular arc of colors, creating what we recognize as a rainbow. But here's the catch: the rainbow you see is unique to your position. The water droplets bend light at a specific angle, typically around 42 degrees, and the colors you observe are based on the angle of the sunlight relative to your eyes. In a way, each person's view of a rainbow is personal. Someone standing right next to you may see the rainbow slightly differently. That's why as you move, the rainbow seems to move with you. Since a rainbow is just light being reflected and refracted, it's impossible to approach it, let alone catch it. If you try to get closer, the angle at which the light hits the droplets changes, and the rainbow will appear to shift or disappear. This is why no one can ever reach the end of a rainbow, even though it may seem like it touches the ground in the distance. Legends of finding a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow are just myths. There is no physical end, because the rainbow is always formed relative to the viewer's position. While we may not be able to catch or hold a rainbow, we can still enjoy its fleeting beauty. Scientists have studied rainbows for centuries, and while the science behind them is fascinating, the magic of seeing one in the sky remains undiminished. In some ways, the fact that a rainbow is intangible adds to its allure, making it something we can admire but never possess. Rainbows remind us that some of the most beautiful things in life are the ones that can't be held or owned, only appreciated.
Rainbows
Are one of nature's most mesmerizing sights, filling the sky with vibrant colors after a rainstorm. They occur when sunlight interacts with water droplets in the atmosphere.